come back. Every year I get newer. I'm the dust on the moon. I'm the trash in the sewer. Let's go. I come back. Every year I get brighter. If you thinking hip hop is alive, hold up your lighter. Let's go. I come back. Every year I'm expanding, talking to developers about the city we planning. Come on. I come back. Through any endeavor, this is hip hop. We gon' last forever. Hip means to know. It's a form of intelligence. To be hip is to be update and relevant. Hop is a form of movement. You can't just observe a hop. You gotta hop up and do it. Hip and hop is more than music. Hip is the knowledge. Hop is the movement. Hip and hop is intelligent movement or relevant movement. We selling the music, so write this down on your black books and journals. Hip hop culture is eternal. Run and tell all your friends. An ancient civilization has been born again. It's a fact. I come back. Every year I'm the strongest. Krs, Marley Marl, yet we last the longest. Let's go. I come back. Cause I'm not in the physical. I create myself, man. I live in the spiritual. I come back through the cycles of life. If you've been here once, you gon' be here twice. So I tell you, I come back. Cause you must learn too. Hip hop culture is eternal. Hip hop. Her infinite power helping oppress people. We are unique and unequal. Hip hop. Wholly integrated people having omnipresent power. The watchmen's in the tower of hip hop. Hydrogen, iodine, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, that's called hip hop. The response of cosmic consciousness to our condition as hip hop. We gotta think about the children we bringing up. When hip and hop means intelligence springing up, we singing what? Sickness, hatred, ignorance, and poverty, or health, love, awareness, and wealth. Follow me. I come back. Every year I get newer. I'm the dust on the moon. I'm the trash in the sewer. That's right. I come back. Every year I get brighter. If you think hip hop is alive, hold up your lighter. Let's go. I come back. Every year I'm expanding, talking to developers about the city we planning. I come back. Through any endeavor, this hip hop, we gon' last forever. We will be here forever. We will still be here forever. Get what I'm saying? Forever. Marley, I come back. Every year I get newer. That's that. That's that. I come back. Every year I get newer. That's that. That's that. I come back. Every year I get newer. That's that. That's that. I come back. Every year I get newer. I come back. I come back. I come back. I come back.
Okay, I produced this track, now watch this abortion as I kill this batch. I get cheese and them know that, and if you know me, you know him, no rat, never that. I be stacking money while you stacking problems. Got a lot of bras numbers, but I never call them. White girls are my favorite, cause when I blaze it, they say I'm effing awesome. I'm only getting better and you better blossom. Bitches forever getting wetter and I'm only talking. Say a couple words, soak them up. Everything I say, real talk, soak it up. If you break it down, we gon' smoke it up. All aboard the elevator, where we going up. Talking money for a show, then we showing up. And we might leave with 10 bitches, knowing us. Yeah. AJR, are we ever gon' stop?
Nah, we gon'. We gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gon' stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon' go. AJR, are we ever gon' stop?
Nah, we gon'. We gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gon' stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon'. Hey, first verse, I got a little cocky. Shit, I can do that when getting money, my only hobby. Hey, I be riding on the Mashantis like Irv Gotti with a bad mommy. Niggas be jocking her curved body. You messin' with us, cause we messin' with everybody. Y'all just a soft imitation, we the hard copy. So copy us, ain't no stopping us. We ain't no motherfucking piece, ain't no topping us. Everybody know my niggas got a lot of bucks, so we keep an eye out for niggas trying to plot on us. Not on us, can't let it happen. We can get like dry lips and get it cracking. Hey, I just wanna go and keep my paper stacking. Everything I do real, I ain't with the acting. Keep it 100 cause I said so. And I ain't ran into no bitch that ever said no. AJR, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon' go. AJR, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon'
I am on the Geo, like first gear if I'm steering a speedboat. Mean on the beat, Tyrone and Debo, cause me and Smooth did this just for the people. Whole lot of love, whole lot of females with details. How I reach the top like a steeple. My flow lethal, you can almost feel me. You know JR, but you don't know the real me. But I'm still gonna get it in. I'ma whip the bins even if the light's red. Burn rubber down the block till they pop like white hairs. And I run the street with a chick and some nice legs. Tattoos my shit, cause I got some new ink. Zone like 2-3, cash coming to me. Who me? Yeah, you. Third on the verse, me and Smooth go and always come first like
AJR, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon' go. AJR, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon'. Hey, Smooth, are we ever gonna stop?
Nah, we gon' go. We gon'